Whew. What a day. What up, Sin? What up, Angie? City Girl, Country Soul, thank you for sharing the live. What up, Kiana? Crystal? Lori? April? You got any tea for us? What? Yeah, I got something. I got some tea. The shirts came in. The shirts came in. What up, Tori Bear? I got a pink one and a black one already done. Someone said wrong tea. What? What? What up, Heather? Allegedly. I should put this over then, huh? Dino with real talk. Allegedly. Mi gente, ¿piensas que viven ahí? Sabe. When does the fashion show start? Exactly, allegedly. Hold on. You guys want to see it? I'll show you the pink ones first. Oh. This is the pink one. This is the black one. This is the black one. Pink one. That one really pops in the pink, huh? Yes. I'm excited. We're giving out 100. We're giving out 100 free merch. 20 a week. We're going to give out 20 a week. 20 a week. Thanks, guys. What sizes do we have? We have medium, large, extra large, and 2X in both colors. We have 100 shirts already lined up. We have 50 pinks, 50 blacks, sizes medium, large, extra large, and double X on both the pink and the black. Go Niners, JMB. We just pick people. We just pick people. Did Coffee Lover get hers? She probably no, my shirts are way too big for her. But I was gonna say she probably would use one as, she could use one as a sleep shirt, I guess. One of mine. Yeah, 100 of these shirts. So yeah. But tomorrow I'll announce the first 20. Tomorrow I'll announce the first 20. Oh, there are a few guys. They're because they like to wear it at sleep, like to go to sleep or to hang out or whatever. So I've last time I think I only shipped out of the 89 that we shipped out. Maybe 4 of them were small. 4 of them were size small. The rest were medium, large, then a few XL, and then fewer 2XLs. See, Lily? Oh, and these are the shirts are 6-ounce ultra cotton. Oh, thank you, Tonya. They're 6-ounce ultra cotton, so they're good quality. They're not like that thin ass shirt. It's good quality shirts. So I'm excited about it. Yeah. Hey, no other team is doing this for their team, right? No other team is giving out free merch to their team. No one. There was a lady on fucking TikTok. She was like, oh, he's greedy, this, that, the other. She looks like a miserable lady, right? Looks like an old miserable lady. It's okay to be old because I'm old, but she's fucking miserable. And she's like, oh, he's greedy. I'm like, man, I gave over 200 paintings out, 89 shirts, merch for free. What the fuck are you talking about? Like, what the fuck? Right? Right? So these are, let me show you for the new people that came in. This is the new merch we're giving out for free. We're giving out 100 of these. The allegedly. We're giving out 100 of these. Here's the pink one. Here's the black one. We're giving out 100 of these. 100 of these we're going to give out. So we're going to give out 20 a week. We're going to give out 20 a week. We're giving out these 100. We don't sell merch. There's people out here selling t-shirts. They're selling their t-shirts for like 40, 50 bucks. And they're not even good quality. This is the ultra cotton. What the fuck? Nah, we don't do that. Yeah, no other team is doing this. No other team is doing this but us. Remember that. No other team is giving out free merch but us. They're charging you 40 bucks for a shirt. I seen one t-shirt for 50 bucks. I saw in October we're giving out hoodies. These people are charging you 80 bucks for a hoodie. Fuck that. It's free on our team. It's free on our team. The fuck? Right? This is the team. This is our team. Oh man, all right. Now that we got that out of the way. I like the pink. And back in the day, you used to do charity. Yeah, we used to do charity organizations back in the day. But I figure now it's time to like work on the team. Paintings, merch, candles coming, hoodies are coming. Jim Miller, that was your shirt I was holding, bro. That's the shirt. That's the shirt. That's your shirt, Jim Miller, the black one I was holding up. Miss Stoke for life. What up, perfectly imperfect? He said, cool, let's see. You didn't see it? Guys, this is Jim Miller's shirt. This is Jim Miller's shirt that I'm holding up right here. In black. Jim, I don't know if you wanted it in pink. We could do it in pink, Jim. We could do it in pink, Jim, but I got this one. This is Jim Miller's shirt. The black allegedly. Look, I already got some made too. We're ready to go. I got the box of 100 downstairs. That's how we do it. It's kind of loud, huh? Yeah, you have to wait till October. Guys, we're shipping and it's like 100 degrees out to people. And people are like, yeah, we'd rather have the t-shirt than the hoodie. The hoodie should come in October, not August, September. We even had a vote on it. The black one. Kimberly, thanks for becoming a super fan. Guys, remember the super fans on August 15th, we're having a wheel for the super fans. And remember, it's for this 4 foot by 3 foot painting. I don't know if this is it. No. Oh, I already showed it on TikTok, right? Miss Stoke. Your music is double playing, or is it the song? Here, I'll turn it off. I tell you, coffee lovers always like my director and shit. You know those kids who have momagers? You know those kids that have momagers? Like they're managers, but they're moms? I got like that, but it's a wifeager. She's like a wife and a manager. With the hat and mustache. Miss Stokes with the hat and mustache. I am lucky to have her. I am lucky to have her. I admit that. I admit that. I was lucky to find her. Right? I was lucky to find her, and I was lucky that she accepted me. Right? She has bat hearing? Probably. Probably. Let me show you what's for the where is it?
All right, guys, I'm excited to announce in our new painting giveaway series.
I don't know what's up with the lighting there.
Can yours truly super fan to a lucky super fan, and hopefully that'll be you. Let's check out this Saturday's.
So this is this Saturday, August 15th. Super fans, you have the ability to win this one. I'm gonna put you guys on the. See that one? See that one? Miss Stoked. See that one? That's on August 15th. That's this Saturday. So you've made it. That guys, that's Saturday. Saturday, 7 p.m. Super fans, you could win this one. I'll put you guys on. You're a super fan, you're on the wheel. As long as you're in the US, not in Canada, you can win this. You could win this. Mom of 6, thank you. Yep.
All right, guys, I'm excited to announce it.
That's it right there. I'm excited about that. Do we need to be present to win? I mean, it would be nice.
Each month.
It would be really nice. Thank you, Miss Stokes. It would be really nice. What's up, Patty? If you were here when you won it, you know, we have our 10 fair, so I'll hop on during that. It's all good. It's all good. I mean, it'd be nice, but you don't have to be here to win. Cat Carey. Besides, every 15th, we're giving out. We're gonna do a big painting. Every 15th of the month, we're giving out a big painting. Where do you register? You just have to be a super fan. If you're a super fan, you're registered. Because I'm not a what? I didn't say anything here. It says you're a super fan. I can't even read that. Let me. All right, coffee lover, what the fuck you doing? Unpin that so I can read it. Thank you. I'm trying to unpin it, and well, because I'm not a super fan. Wait, who said what? I don't understand what's going on. All right. No. I'm in Canada, but in a border town. I'll get it shipped to the U.S. side and pay. Sounds good, Taylor. Sounds good. I appreciate all you do for the community. Thank you. How do we get a shirt? We just pick. She registered. Oh, she registered, but not a super fan. Okay, okay. I was like, what's my wife pinning here? Yeah. I would love a pink shirt. My birthday's tomorrow. So what do you guys? Okay. So I heard people are having like tons of panels and everything about Santos, and everybody's going through different hypotheticals and scenarios and simulations and shit, right? Uh, simulations and shit, and we just have to wait for the police report to come out, y'all. We just have to wait for the police report to come out. No, Brett, it doesn't show that you're a super fan. You have to wait for the police report. No, Melissa, whoever got the mystery painting didn't reveal it to us. Like, what the hell? That was like a stipulation. I bet he's crying now with the big boys. I wonder if they transferred him over to him over to MCJ. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. I'll put it on the big screen too. I'll tell you right now. They haven't transferred him yet. Let me show you. Is that Chrome? They haven't transferred him yet. He's still an Olympic at the LAPD jail division. He's still an Olympic, but they haven't transferred him yet. Once they do, they don't have his next court date up yet either, if you see that. Once they do, it's going to be a whole different world. It's going to be an entirely different world. Oh, Nikki, it's attempted murder. It's attempted murder. It's A187 PC. Yeah, $1 million bill. $1 million. 48 hours. It's 48. Okay, so I'll tell you how it works. When you get arrested, you have 48 hours, not including Sunday and holidays. They have to arraign you within 48 hours, not including Sundays and holidays. No, he's in California. It wasn't against Bree? I don't believe so, no. No mugshot? Unfortunately, it's not like Florida, where someone gets arrested 6 hours later, you get the bunk shot, right? It's not like that. I wish it was. But California's a little different. California, you gotta request it. You have to request it. Can't see comments. Oh. Well, we're looking at this. Is it a cash only bond? Doesn't state. Kimberly. His mugshot's gonna have that white cream on his bumps. How bad did it have to be 1 million? Attempted murder. It has to be like attempted murder. Did you see 2K's plate he got? What do you mean plate? What is considered an attempt? Attempted murder is when you try to kill someone. He got a plate of his mugshot. Oh, he got a dinner plate? He got a dinner plate made for this mugshot? That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Can I post it on the Discord? Yeah, definitely. Is hiring a hitman, it would be solicitation. It'd be solicitation. If you're hiring a hitman to kill someone, it's solicitation. Yeah, guys, we say kill, murder, death. It's all good in this particular live. We don't speak like third graders because we talk about legal issues. Then there's no, attempted unalivement in the penal code. In the penal code, it says attempted murder. Check Discord. Let me see here. General chat. He really did get a plate. He got a dinner plate. That's funny. That's funny. I like that. Do they do arraignments on Saturdays? No. So if you're brought up on Saturday, if you're arrested on Friday, so Friday to Saturday is 1 day. Saturday to Monday is 2 days. Actually, no. Strike that, because we're not including Sundays. So it'd be Friday to Saturday is 1 day. Monday to Tuesday is the 2nd day. So they'd have to arraign you on Tuesday. I mean, theoretically, they could arraign him tomorrow. But practically, they're not going to arraign him till Monday. Because he was booked on Thursday. So Thursday to Friday is 1 day. What is going on here? Is that me? Can't you show up and watch? I could. But he's in LA. Was Bree really able to visit him already? Fuck no. No. Why are people calling me at 7:30 p.m.? They think I live on my desk. Like, is it just because he would... Like, is it just because he said he would to somebody? No, that'd just be a threat. If he offered 100K, would you be his lawyer? No. No. If it was 500,000, I'd have to think about it. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. $1 million on an attempted M? All the way through jury trial? That's a hard answer, right? Yeah, I can, Heather Barefoot. Money can't buy the moral deficiency needed to represent the turd. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I think he's going to have a difficult time, and I think what people are doing right now is they are clip farming. They're clip farming. So what they're doing is they're going through his old posts, right? Where he's claiming to be Jim Miller, where he's claiming to be part of the Mexican mafia. And I think they're putting that all together, and I think it's going to be sent to some people where he's claiming to be Mexican mafia. So I think a lot of people are farming those clips right now, or gardening those clips, or harvesting. Let's say harvesting, right? Harvesting those clips from T-pages and whatnot, where he's claiming to be Mexican mafia. And I think they're putting that whole Stolen valor is catching up to him, right? I think they're putting that entire it's the word I'm looking for. It starts with a C. What is that word I'm looking for? I don't want to say collaboration. What's the word I'm looking for? It starts with a C. It's been a long day. This is craziness? No, not that C. Collage, kind of. What am I looking? What am I at? There it is. Compilation. Thank you. Thank you. Or collection. Yeah, you could say collection or compilation. Yeah. So they're putting the whole collection together and they're going to send it out to somebody. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. How do we know what the charge is? I spoke to my contact at LAPD. And then if you guys want to call the booking, you guys can call the jail. Don't bother them, though. You can call the jail and ask what the charges are. They'll tell you. Stacy with a Y. Is it true the body cam is hard to get? It can be. But if, Lala Swift, if there is absolutely no DV involved, then we could definitely get the body cam. Because if there's DV involved, sometimes the police will not release it. Will not release it for the protection of the victim. What time on attempted murder? Oh, what's the time? So here in California, it's either 5, 7, or 9. So if he goes to jury trial and he gets convicted, 5, 7, or 9 years. He was downstairs. He was downstairs. That's all. Yeah, it's attempted murder. It's not murder. He could plead to something lower. Yeah. I wonder if this could... Is California still... we're to where it's mandatory? No. Lala says she wants 9 years for this guy. Yeah, I know, Reyes. That's the call that people sent me, or that a person sent me. Can he get a strike? This would be a strike. Yeah. Nine years for attempted murder. Why the Bama flag? My daughter goes to Bama. So I have the Michigan and my Berkeley. I could put this up a little bit. There we go. I was just trying to show off the shirt. I was just trying to show off the free merch that we're sending people. We're sending our group. We're sending out 100 of them. Last time we sent 89. Roll damn Tide. Oh, and I have a few friends who I met off TikTok and who I met in person that play for Bama. So I guess I could say that as well. And then my daughter's friend / boyfriend, I don't know what they're doing. They've been in like 3 years or whatever. He just committed to Bama. So that's why the Bama flag. For all those 3 reasons. I bet his victims are happy he's locked up. Yep. Lawyer flexing. Goo Tigers. Can the 1.5 people in here send and follow a heart meet? That would be nice. That would be nice. Heart meets would be nice. You know, taps would be cool too. I just don't know what he did to her. My nephew's being scouted right now by Bama. Very cool, Patty. Very cool. It's a great program. I played for Berkeley, so our program wasn't as good. Yeah, our program wasn't as good when I played at Berkeley. Well, shit. We were just happy that they fed us. Babe Boy will spend the next 12 hours talking about this. Let me tell you, Babe Boy, he and I are cool, right? He and I are cool, but this is Babe Boy. You guys want to see Babe Boy? Here's Babe Boy. All right, guys, you know, we got all this thing going around and, you know, yeah, I mean, I really feel you guys because this is the good stuff here. And, you know, we're just doing it like that. And, you know, it's blah, blah, blah. Yeah, yeah. That's Bay Boy. Yeah, that's Bay Boy. Berkeley isn't known for sports. Back when I was playing, it was. Back when I was playing, it was. We had what's his name? Matt Blondie. He was before me though. Olympic swimmers, basketball players. Sent a lot of people to NBA. Sent a lot of people to NFL. You're very good in sports back then. Not as good as not as known like Michigan or Bama for sports, but we had strong sports programs. I think we're more of a obviously Berkeley we're more of an academic focused school. I'll admit that we're nerds. you know, I mean obviously not the sports teams, but we're nerds. I mean to this day they call them the Calgorithm. Yeah, Izzy. So Hastings is no longer UC Hastings anymore. It's UC San Francisco College of the Law, or is it UC College of the Law San Francisco? One of the two. But they changed the name. They changed the name because I guess Hastings wasn't a very nice guy to Native Americans, so they changed the name. Yeah. So for my undergrad, I have a degree in legal studies, and that was through what used to be called Bolt Hall School of Law at Berkeley. Now it's just Berkeley Law because they found that it was that whole, during that whole change, the whole Me You and the whole, let's take down statues of people from the past. That's when they started changing names. So Bolt Hall School of Law at Berkeley is changed to now just Berkeley Law. Hastings, same thing. It's not UC Hastings anymore. It's UC San Francisco College of the Law, or it's UC College of the Law, or UC Law San Francisco. I think that's what it says. So, yeah. Who knows what it's gonna be? Who knows what they're gonna name it 20 years from now? What time is court? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. I was born and raised in the Bay. That's what's up. Can't wait for football. Andrew's in the house. You did solar at that place? Yeah. I've been at the hospital. Fill me in what happened. I've missed late. Oh, Jen, it's a long story. Are you an actual lawyer? Yeah, I'm not AI. I'm not AI. Crystal's all about LSU. I'm going to go to a couple. What's up, Elian? Is it Elena, right? Is it Elena? Because I say Eliana. It's Elena, right? I keep messing up. You seem like a pretty good lawyer, man. God bless you and the fam. Thank you. You too, man. You're a Gopher fan. OU, Razorback, go Dogs. I'm going to that game. Christy, I'm going to that game. I'm going to the, you're starting GLP? That's what's up. I'm going to the game. I'm going to the Bama, Georgia game. October 10th. I'm there. I'm flying out to Bama. Angie's farming. Shit. Thank you, Rudy. Yeah. Yeah, we're battling Angie tonight. Boo, Bulldogs. Do you happen to know the family court system in California? Yeah. You like 5, 7, 9, or 5? Huh? You like 5, 7? You think 5, 7, 9, or 5 or like? Oh, yeah. It's 5, 7, or 9. Is the statute? Is the statute? Is 98 in Bama? Yeah. So I'll be there October 10th. There's going to be another. Person that goes live. Beautiful Flawed has 3 gloves, so she got like the last 30, the last 30s. There's another guy who goes live who's going to be in Bama as well. I'm gonna meet up with him. Michigan lawyer. I'm a Hoosier. There you go. Yeah, I went Michigan. I did my MBA there. Me too. Go Dogs. Okay, Cozy Couch. Night game, Bama, Georgia. Bama, Georgia is going to be a crazy game, guys. Flying out there. hanging out with my daughter. Might hang out with some people you guys might know. Last time I was in Bama, myself and Drake Kilpatrick Drake Kilpatrick Jr. Almost got kicked out of a frat party where we were collabing. We had a collab at a frat party, and this was back in March, or late February, early March, and he almost got us kicked out of a frat party. When people balk at University of Michigan, it reminds me that people go there for an education. Yes, we go there for... Guys, Michigan... Okay. Some years, Berkeley's the #1 public university, right? On some years, Berkeley's the #1 public university. The years that Berkeley is not the #1 public university, it's Michigan. Michigan's the #1 public university. And then another year, it'll be Berkeley. So it's like... They sort of alternate back and forth as #1 public universities. So I guess I hedged my bet when I went to both Berkeley and to Michigan. I don't know. Did Bear start Bama this semester? I try to find Bear. Like, he asked for my number. I gave it to him. And then I haven't heard from Bear. I haven't even seen Bear on TikTok. I don't know what's up with him. I got to ask Dre. Because I still have his painting from like 3 months ago. Hey there, lovely girl. What's up? Roll Tide of Boo, Michigan. I'm from Ohio. I get it. I get it. How did you decide on those schools? I mean, no, I can't say they're the best schools. I got accepted for an MBA in the MBA program at Yale. But at the time, Yale's MBA program was fairly new. You would think like Yale should have a business school that's been around for like centuries, right? But no, they just really started their school of management just recently. Relatively recently compared to other schools. So I got accepted to Yale for the MBA program there, but I chose Michigan for their MBA program because how high they're ranked in marketing. I was really interested in the marketing aspect of the MBA. Every time I tell people I went to USC, they say, oh, the University of Spoiled Children, right? USC's come a long way. Like they've become more of an academic powerhouse in the last like 15 years. You guys got to remember, I've been an attorney for 23 years. I started college, 30 years ago, right? Roughly 30 years ago, I started college. Is that right? You graduated in 2008. And then, so it was like, I remember when USC like came to around 94. Like around 94, USC came to my school. And they're like, oh, is it hard to get in? And the admissions guy at the table was like, if you got a 2.5, you're in. And I was like, huh? He's like, you got 2.5? Well, you could transfer right in. We got you. And then now, holy fuck. That was in 94. Now, that was in 94 though, Glam. Now, holy shit. You got to have like fucking 5 AP classes. You got to have, right? You have to have like a 4 whatever. But back in the day, everything back in the day was very easy to get into. University of Miami was fucking a breeze to get into back in the day. Now it's like competitive, which is weird, but whatever. Just everything is just changing. My daughter's GPA is 5.34, graduating next year. Holy shit, Sin. Yeah, it is very expensive now. You know how much Berkeley cost me? Berkeley cost me $4,000 a semester. Is that a semester or a year? No. Fuck. I paid $2,300 a semester. at Berkeley. $2,300 a semester at Berkeley. Now, you're paying like $32,000 a year, something crazy, and it's public. Yeah, we should battle Angie. Yeah, it's 7:45. Let's battle Angie. I know. Now, fuck. Athena goes to Bama, and she pays in-state tuition over there, and it still is expensive. 38,000. See, that's like less than.
Lawyer.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Good. Let me put my ear.
He doesn't have his ears on.
Let me put my ears in. All right. Let's see if that did it.
Couch is in the house.
There we go. There we go.
Let me finish saying this really fast. You guys, this is how I know for a fact it's not against Bree. If it was against Bree, Bree would not have been able to go and visit him today. Right? If you have a charge against the person, they don't let the victim then come in and do it. It was against an officer of some kind. We don't know what happened or where, but we will find out.
Yep. So we got our new shirts, and I'm going to send you one.
Wait, what does it say? Oh, allegedly?
Allegedly. Look, let me show you. So we're giving out 100 of these.
Okay.
So, allegedly. But look at the back. Look at the back. Bam!
Wait, what does it say? Oh, lawyer investor. Okay. Oh, you're a little panda bear in a suit. I love
100 of these. Allegedly.
I love it.
Yeah, I'm going to send you one.
They turn out so good.
Thanks. I'm going to send you one. We got black and pink.
Okay. Black and pink. I love it.
Yeah, we got 100 of them. So we're going to send those out.
I just want you guys to know, even like with calling, he wouldn't typically be able to call her. There should be a block on that. Granted, there's a ways around it. You can get a WhatsApp number, whatnot. But it is not against Bree. It is something that happened outside of the apartment.
Downstairs.
He went back inside, and that's where they got him. That's why she was able to film it, because that's what you want to do when you truly love somebody, is film their downfall. I mean, you have to.
Yeah, and say sorry.
Facts.
So sorry, guys. So sorry. Follow the Snapchat.
Let's just get it. Crazy.
Follow the Snapchat.
All right, guys, are we ready?
Here we go.
Listen, we're 0-2 again. I think it's this. Yeah, that's right. We're 0-2 for the week. We were so close yesterday. Oh, someone busted you out because they clipped you, and somebody said, "Oh, AA is gonna throw for Angie today," and you're like, "Oh, we gotta be on."
Gotta knuckle up. We gotta knuckle up.
Busted. I saw it. I heard it.
Because last time we went up against AA, we got beat, like, man, bad.
Yeah. Oh, she was so mad on the third one. She's like, I kept getting fraud alerts. I couldn't re-up on the third game. If we would have had a missed for the second game, we don't have any power-ups today, I don't think. Maybe one or two gloves. But if we would have had a miss the second game, I think we would have had it. But nonetheless, we had a grand time.
It was fun. All right, Here we go.
All right, are we ready? Let's get it. Let's go. And then after this series, guys, which will be done in 10 minutes, we're going to get back into everything that we know that's happening.
All right, guys, this one is times 3.
First gift only.
This was times 3.
I said
see what we could do here. I don't
First
think
game only is times 3.
We only have like 3
Annabelle,
gloves, but we're going to make it work. We're going to make it work. Everybody tap, please. Tammy with the Galaxy's bestest.
There we go. All right, double
Kimberly with the
Thank
Galaxy.
You so much.
They're coming in strong. Here we go.
Gallywag from Tammy.
Jamie with the money gun.
Thank you, Alicia. We have the. Oh, I thought you were doing first go.
Rhonda with the money gun, with the rhythm. Oh shit! Okay, here we go. Here we go. They got Rhonda over there. She's playing. Blondie with the hand heart.
They said there was
Becky Crum with the air balloons.
Tails.
Pitbull Mama with the money gun. Amy with the flying jets.
With a hand heart. Let's
go. The jury will not be denied. Chaotic with the clap clap.
Oh,
Becky Crum with the air balloon.
Thank you, la. Thank you, Linz. Mims, Tracy, purple kisses. Get the
Heather
popcorn.
Barefoot with the Viking hammer.
Need the popcorn.
Tiffany Marie with the Galaxy.
Tracy with another money gun. Let's go. And another one.
Christina with the Linde with the press start otter.
Thank you, Tracy.
Chaotic with the goat.
With the money guns.
Diane Chavez with the confetti.
Tracy's like,
it's a close game.
We're gonna need this.
Tammy with a journal.
Tracy.
Chaotic with the TikTok. Angie with the hand heart. Tanya
Ashley,
with the rock star. Angie with the hand heart. Chaotic with the oldies.
Yeah, it's close. Listen, we gotta focus.
Cat Carey with the popcorn. They're putting up a fight, guys.
Let's go with
Nicole
the
with
money gun.
Nicole with a hand heart.
With the drums. Thank you, love.
Rose with the rose.
KK with the money gun.
Chaotic with the clap clap.
Amanda. We got some more drums. Oh,
Cat Carey
Suzanne,
with the
thank you,
sunglasses.
love.
Sin with the cynical analyst.
Hey, Tasha with the dancing bear. Amanda,
Christine
thank
911
you,
with the
love.
heart me.
Suzanne, my TikTok
Rose with the roses.
mama's in the house.
Christina with the wink wink.
Tasha,
Cat with the
thank you, Amanda.
glasses. Miss Moonlight with the hand heart.
It's anyone's game. We have a mission coming up. So hold on. So everything will be times
Okay,
2 here in
bonus
just a
missions
second.
coming up, guys.
Uh-oh.
Tammy. Kimberly with the I am Sparta.
It's so funny to me.
Brittany with the hand heart. Chaotic with the pop.
All right.
Diane Chavez with the clap clap clap.
Hopefully we'll get
Tanya
1
with the
minute
level up.
times 2s.
Chaotic
Thank
with the nice to
you.
meet you. All right, here we go. The gifting target is
All
200.
right, so the gifting point is 200,
Perfect.
so we just need 200 points,
Amy
and
got
then
it.
we
Amy
will
got
get the speed.
Kimberly with a hand heart. Katie with the money gun.
And we got this speed. Oh my god, that's so cute. Is that an otter?
Jamie with the hand heart.
Rhonda.
Chaotic
Everything
with the
right now is
shards.
times 2,
Brittany
guys.
with the
We have
heart me.
1 minute
Heather
of
Barefoot with the
times
heart
2.
hand
It's
heart.
time to catch up.
Boxer
Let's
Mom with the
go,
rose.
Susan. Callie.
Boom. We got the drug.
Jen.
We got the
Ooh,
glove.
Thank you, love.
Tanya with the gem
Susan
gun.
with
Animal
the
lover with the love
gallywag.
scent.
Let's go.
Laura with the donut. Miss
Thank
Moonlight.
you. Kate
Beautifully
with the
flawed with the
gallywag.
epic GG.
Ooh, the kisses. Ooh, somebody wants to make
Beautifully
up
flawed
session.
with
Okay, KK.
Jan with the
We
glowing
need a private room? Okay,
glowing
girl.
jellyfish. I gotta drink
Let's
water
be
here.
friends.
Becky
Oh,
Crumb with the shiny air
yes.
balloons.
Thank you, Mima. Brrr, let's go. We got some money.
Heather Barefoot with the money gun. Amy with the galaxy.
Thank you, let's run.
Angie with the rock star.
Yes.
Patty with the meteor shower.
Terry.
We're coming hard. Chaotic.
Carolyn, sorry. Suzanne. Mama.
Jessica White.
Oh my God, that
Wyatt
is
with the
so
night star.
freaking
Tanya
cute.
with the glowing
It's an
jellyfish.
honor playing a
Chaotic with the
drum.
goat.
Heather, double 2 trouble.
Tanya with the gem
I
gun.
love you too.
Tiffany with the
Howdy,
heart puff.
cowboy. Get the galley.
Becky Crumb with the gem gun.
Shake what my mama didn't give me. Okay.
Kimberly with the good night.
Santos is injured.
Yeah, they are.
Thank
They are.
you.
Blondie
All
with
right,
the
Sam, let's
talking
go.
heartbeat.
Caitlin, Ashley,
Eliana
Sam,
with the
let's
talking
go.
heartbeat.
You guys are kicking ass and taking names.
Jessica with the
You guys are like,
night
we are
star.
gonna celebrate today, okay?
Miss
Darlene,
Moonlight Mama with the
triple
otter.
kisses. I'll make sure I didn't miss one.
Katie Texas with the hand heart.
Katie, oh, it was White Dove. White Dove, thank you so much. Jess.
Tanya with the
Caitlin.
masquerade.
All right, guys, it's gonna be the last.
Beautifully flawed with the DJ headset.
It's gonna come down to the last 30. We are neck
The last
and neck.
30 is going to be the big one. Tanya with the hanging
He just
lights.
copies everything I say.
Or Tammy with the hanging lights. Jan with the coral. Jan with the coral.
Let's
Sin
go,
with the
Tracy.
go popular.
Madison, thank you. Thank you, Triple.
Tiffany
Susan.
Marie with the DJ headphones.
Melanie, Tracy, let's go.
Boom,
Lovely.
we dropped the
Alright,
glove.
guys,
Here we go.
got a
Kimberly
glove.
with the hand with the money
We got a
gun.
glove.
Miss
Do we
Moonlight
have
with the
a
hand heart.
lightning bolt or not?
Patty with the galaxy.
Suzanne, let's go with the
Blondie with the
galley.
hand heart.
Thank you, Sherry.
Becky with the
Thank you.
fireworks. Who sent me that one?
Debbie. Boop,
Becky
boop,
Crumb with the
boop. All right,
fireworks.
guys, we got 15 seconds.
Tanya with the
to
gem
go.
gun. Heather Barefoot with the Viking
Coach
hammer.
with the
It's getting
jets.
close, guys.
Let's go.
Lainey with the little kisses.
Oh my gosh, you're
Patty
so
with the
close.
swan.
So close. We're 7,000
Jessica with
away.
the hand heart.
Let's go.
Patty with the galaxy.
Hats off to you.
What? Do we get it? Did we get it? Jan with the galaxy.
No.
Patty with the swan.
Oh my God, so close.
W jury.
Thank
locked
you.
in, jury.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Thank you, Kels, Age,
We locked in
Annie,
on that one, jury.
Bless,
Tanya with the
they're
gem
still
gun.
coming in. Thank you guys so much. Hold on. Let me thank you guys so much. Oh my gosh, you guys, that was
Amy, Becky, Patty, Beautifully Flawed, Jan, Tanya, Kimberly, Heather Barefoot, Tammy, Jamie with an I, all the tappers, all the gifters.
Brandy, all the tappers, all the yappers. They
the
won
rose
this one. If
throwers.
they win this next one, we're done. If we win, then we go into a third one. So let's get it.
All right, here we
Yes,
go,
MVP.
guys. Let's see if we can close it out today.
All right, guys, let's get it. Let's go. We got this. We can do it. I believe in us.
Let's see.
And then I'll read my poem again for you. All right, guys. First gift again is ×3. It's
Here we
only
go.
the first gift that you send that's ×3.
All right, ×3. They're putting up a fight. You're right.
Damn fucking Skippy. We were tired of getting our ass
Heather
handed
Barefoot
to
with the
us.
Viking hammer.
Gotta get some hemorrhoid cream.
I
Shit.
saw that,
I
man. I was
barely
like, oh
sit
shoot,
down.
they're putting up a fight. Miss Moonlight with the hand, with the Happy Friday.
All right,
Tanya
let's
with
go
the
to
confetti.
×3 right now. Thank you, Melissa.
Chaotic.
KK with the
Mandy's
galley.
family with
Oh,
the
it's
hand
on
heart.
my
Patty with the
Oh, it's-
galaxy.
oh, it's
Becky Crumb with the
cats.
galaxy.
Brr, Callie Tappy.
me the hat.
I love that. The coral. Boop, boop,
Amy
boop,
with the
boop,
whale diving. Chaotic, beautifully flawed with the ignition. Check. Chaotic with the pop. Patty with the galaxy. Patty with the money gun. Heather Barefoot with the money gun. Patty with the money gun. Mandy with the donuts. Jan with the air dancers. Angie with the bubble gum. Paperback with the gold medal. Tanya with the marvelous confetti. Jamie with an eye. Blondie with the DJ headphone. Sin with the otter. Tammy with the hand heart. Miss Moonlight with the hand heart. All right, here we go with the ×2 coming. Brittany with the hand heart. Here we go. Jan with the boxing gloves. Yeah, I think they may try to snipe us. Let's see. Sin with the roses. All right, it's a ×2. Miss Mama Moonlight with the press start water. Becky Crum with This Is Sparta. Tammy with the drum pop. Here it comes. Here we come. Boom. We got the lightning. Jessica with the sneakers. Tennessee Mama with the heart. Christina with the hand heart. Patty with the pink cowboy. Heather with the money gun. Miss Moonlight with the hand heart. Heather Barefoot with the money gun. Patty with the night star. Becky Crum with the money gun. Beautifully Flawed with the fireworks. Mandy with the donut. Tennessee Mama with the wink wink. Amy with the well diving. Becky with the money gun. Beautifully Flawed with the money gun. Tennessee Mama with the heart me. Patty with the journal. Tennessee Mama with the cynical analyst. Tiffany Marie with the blow bubbles. Patty with the night star. Becky Crum with the rose. Still kind of a close game for a snipe, huh? Tiffany with the hand heart. Morning Hope with the heart me. Tiffany Marie with the night star. Tiffany Marie with another night star. Tammy with the groove clarinet. That we do, Serenity. Lainey with the roses. Lainey. Missy Ann with the heart me. Oh, we're getting close. Got like a minute left. Tanya with the cynical analyst. It's always all this like this quiet time, right? It's always this quiet time before it like really hits. Wavy's drinking per usual. Per usual. All right, here we go. Jessica Wyatt with the gold boxing glove. House, you're going to actually ask that during the middle of a battle with 30 seconds left? When it's this damn close? Here we go. All right, we dropped the glove. Here we go. Patty with the money gun. Tammy with the groove guitar. Heather B with the pink cowboy. Beautifully Flawed with the matchmaker. S Lizard with the heart me. Tiffany Marie with the hand heart. Christina with the hand heart. Paulina with a hand heart. Tiffany. Oh, I see they're trying to come back. Beautifully Flawed. Amy! W jury. W jury. W jury.
Oh, so close. Hold on, wait, thank you. I love you too. Hold on.
W
oh my
Amy,
god, that
Patty,
gosh
Beautifully
darn
Flawed. Heather
freaking
Barefoot,
Mister.
Becky Crump,
So close.
Jan, Tammy,
Thank you,
Ileana,
Rhonda,
B,
Kays,
Tiffany
KK,
Marie, all the tappers,
Annabelle,
all the gifters.
L.
W jury.
Look, the first one is K's and then KK and then Annabelle, then a L. Callie Tiff, Miss Mac, Sabrina.
Good job.
and Santo and Amanda, all the tappers, all the yappers. Thank you, everybody, so much. Yes, Nora's on the glove.
Oh man. Well, I guess it's back. It's back to what happened with Santos, and for us for court.
Yeah, off to court for you guys. We're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna go over my poem that I wrote again. I'll clean it up. I wrote it real quick. I'll clean it up and I'll post it because I didn't know that this was a new thing because I've had a lot of my my clients go to prison and jail. I never wrote them a poem. I feel horrible.
Yeah.
But then when 2K got arrested, Santos wrote a piece of art of poem that was stunning. Oh, it rhymed perfectly. It was eloquent.
Oh.
And it just just got me in the mood to write a poem. So
it probably was better than Walt Whitman's Leaves of Grass. Probably right up there.
Yep,
probably one of those literally. I mean, I could just imagine. The prose that was used by Santos in his poem, right up there with Walt Whitman, huh?
Yeah, I'll be honest, I've never ever seen or read a poem that did not have one word that that rhymed. But listen, it's a new age poem, I guess. So,
what is that one? But those haiku is that haiku poems that are very short, but they don't rhyme. But I don't think he's that intelligent.
Nope, it definitely wasn't that. It didn't make a lick of sense. No one knew.
It wasn't that intentional.
No,
to be a haiku.
No.
All right.
Absolutely not. So,
all right.
Well, I will let you guys head off.
All right. Thank you, Sock Gang. Thank you, Angie. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye, lawyer. Bye, Jeremy.
Bye, guys. Oh, man.
All right.
Hey, it just started. Guys, it just started.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Hey, no, that's not. No, we don't want that. There we go.
Let
me put it. There's a counsel in the background there. W Jury, we beat her. Dude, they've been putting up a fight, haven't they? They have been putting up a fight recently. Holy shit. What the fuck was that, Pick Lawyer? That was me announcing the big painting giveaway. Everyone plays when Rhonda's there. Man, fuck. There's 2 people we got to watch out for.
The 8:00 p.m.
Like Rhonda and AA TikTok or whatever. What the hell?
Of 2026.
This jury is strong. This is a very strong teamwork. Yeah, it's live right now, House.
Shall apply to all matters on this calendar. I will now read the victim's rights advisement. If you are the victim of a crime or the case pending before this court, you are advised that you have rights under
wish they had court-themed gifts. That would be so
right
cool.
To be treated with fairness, respect, and dignity, to a speedy trial, to be present in court proceedings, to choose whether or not to be interviewed by the defendant or the defendant's attorney, to be heard before the court makes a decision on release, negotiation of a plea, scheduling and sentencing, and to receive restitution from a person who's convicted of causing your loss.
Yeah. Oh, we can. You think we can make our own?
Provided with a written statement of all victims' rights, please contact the Victim Services Division of the Prosecutor's Office. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here today for an initial appearance calendar. What that means is that
check this out.
Hear a little bit more about the allegations against you, whether or not
over or under
counsel, your next court
at
date,
least
and your release conditions.
5 people
As I call
will
you
ask
forward,
us
please
if
approach
this is
the
for
podium that
Santos.
is in the center of the courtroom.
Oh,
here.
there's some music going.
If you are next, please
be with the poetry
sit in
score.
The chair that's next to the front door of the gallery right over
At least 5 people will come in here and say, "Is this for Santos?"
11 and 19
over
on our calendar. Heather Shaw,
or he's like
to
over
the
5.
Podium, please. Numbers 22 and 23 on the calendar. Antonia Laura Martinez to the chair, please. And
Dalton?
Good evening, Ms. Shaw. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Heather Nicole Shaw, 7/7/1987.
Thank you very much. Counsel, please announce.
Your Honor, Ernest Collins Jr. on behalf of Ms. Shaw.
Okay,
Thank you, Mr.
there with an
Collins.
attorney.
All right, Ms. Shaw, we're here today on 2 cases. The first is a new case from the Maricopa County Superior Court. The second is a probation violation warrant, also out of the Maricopa County Superior Court, with an allegation of term 1 violation of probation. Term 1 of probation, as we know, is do not commit new criminal offenses while out on probation.
Dalton said yes.
Here we have a new submission in the form of your new case. As to the new case, there are 4 counts alleged. First, felony shoplifting with prior predicate convictions alleged as a class 4 felony. There are also 3 counts alleged of shoplifting, a class 1 misdemeanor,
Shoplifting.
all alleged on or about April the 14th of 2026. April the 10th of 2026,
That's funny.
and March the 22nd of 2026. Any record from counsel as to probable cause on the new case?
No.
Thank you. I was not given enough information to determine probable cause for the felony shoplifting count at this time. And here's what that means. It means that for today's purposes,
they didn't prove up the
felony
previous
shoplifting count did not factor into my determination of release conditions on your case.
Right, Tanya?
What it does not mean is that the prosecution still couldn't go forward if the prosecuting agency thought it had enough evidence to secure a conviction against you at trial. So you still have to go to court. For the record, I did find probable cause as to the remaining counts.
Okay.
Mr. Collins, I did see your notice of appearance. I saw that there may have been a little correction there.
Yeah, maybe he's old school, right? He should be standing right next to her.
Okay, on both cases?
Yes.
Okay, let me just edit the counsel orders briefly. Thank you for your patience.
Judge, when you get a chance, can you read back those dates for me?
The court dates?
Shoplifting.
The dates.
Oh, the alleged offense dates? Sure.
He's scared that she'll
April the
take his
14th,
wallet.
2026. April the 10th, 2026. March the 22nd, 2026.
March the 2nd,
22nd.
22nd. Okay.
Yes. All
Thank
right,
you,
give me
Judge.
just a moment. I'll update the
Yeah,
counsel orders.
we beat Angie. It was close, but we beat her. Yup, Tex. Texoma mermaid. Texoma? Mermaid. Stumpy says she's a baddie. Shoplifting, guys. 4 counts of shoplifting. Dalton says, don't cry, I'm on my way, girl. Her and B would make great friends. I used to boost back in the day. I could spot them. See, Michelle, you're like that one. But so she's already had 2 previous convictions. So this one is charged as a felony. But he didn't find probable cause because the stupid cop didn't write the probable cause statement or the arrest affidavit correctly. Why are they staring at us? Because they're looking into our souls. Angel. White House?
All right, the counsel orders will reflect the appearance of Ernest Collins as counsel of record. All right. Ma'am, you have some court dates coming up.
What up, Kim?
On
She can't
August
find no more
the
tattoos.
20th, 28th.
She's scoping out the place. She's like,
8:30 in the morning. And
she's like, if I could get that gavel.
2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court complex. Counsel, my inclination is to order pretrial services release. Any record on release conditions?
No, Judge.
All right, ma'am. Do you promise to appear for your court dates?
Yes.
All right. Based on your promise to appear, it's ordered releasing you to the supervision of the pretrial services agency. You're going to get some instructions. Scratch that to APD's supervision. So you'll have supervised release through your assigned adult probation officer.
You think she's one of those people? Like, there's some people that really like.
Other release conditions include,
like the adrenaline of stealing something. You know what I mean? You think she's one of those people? She can afford an attorney.
No alcohol, no driving a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. And as I said, contact your probation officer within 72 hours. Other release conditions will be reduced to writing and be provided to you. Anything further from counsel?
No, Judge.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. You may step to your left.
Or
counsel, if you wish to consult with your client, there's a consultation.
She's like, oh, yeah, I checked her Facebook. She seems like a normal person. She's with the PTA.
Number 2223 on the calendar. Antonio Laura.
Target? I think it was Target.
Podium, please.
B gets the info.
27 on the calendar. Michael Negrila to the chair, please. And good evening, Mr. Laura Martinez.
Good evening,
Tell me your name and date of birth.
Antonio Laura Martinez, 11/25/1992.
Thank you, sir. We're here today on 2 cases. The first is a new case from the Maricopa County Superior Court. The second is a bench warrant on a failure to appear from Maricopa County Superior Court from July the 22nd
She
of
got OR'd.
2026 on a trafficking and stolen property case. I am
Shoplifting.
going to appoint the public defender's office on the bench warrant matter. On the new case, there are 4 charges alleged. The first, armed robbery, a class 2 felony. The second, theft of means of transportation, a class 3 felony. Third, possession of narcotic drugs, class 4 felony. Finally, there's 1 count alleged of possession of drug paraphernalia, a class 6 felony. I have determined probable cause, and on this matter, I'm also appointing the public defender's office to represent you. I'm going to set some court dates for you, sir. That's going to be on August the 19th, 20th, and 21st.
Yes, sir.
2026. On the 19th and 21st, that's going to be at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court complex. On the 20th, that's going to be at 1:30 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Also downtown. As to the bench warrant matter, I'm affirming the warrant bond. That's a $500 secured appearance bond with pretrial supervision through the Pretrial Services Agency and other release conditions that will be provided to you in writing. However, as to the newest matter, because there is an allegation that a new felony offense was committed while out on felony release, I'm ordering that you be held without bail at this time. Do you have any questions, sir?
No.
All right, thank you very much. You may step to your left.
Send this to me right now. Multiple counts.
Number 27 on the calendar, Michael Negrila to the podium, please. Number 16 on the calendar, Thomas Mills to the chair, please. And good evening, Mr. Negrila. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Michael Negrila, 12/12/1976.
Thank you, sir. We're here today on a new case from the Maricopa County Superior Court. There is 1 charge alleged. I do need to edit this, so this will be a reprint. 1 charge alleged of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument, a class 3 felony. I have determined probable cause, and I am appointing the public defender's office to represent you, sir. I'm also setting court dates for August the 19th and 21st of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court complex. You are eligible for bail, sir. I'm setting your bail at $50,000. That is a secured appearance bond. If you post bond, you'll be released subject to supervision through the Pretrial Services Agency with mandatory electronic monitoring to be installed before you are released. Additionally, if you are released, no victim contact. Do not reside at the same location as the alleged victim and do not go to the alleged victim's residence, even if you're an owner or renter of that residence. If you currently reside with any alleged victim, you must find an alternative residence and bring proof of that to your next court date. If you need to gather essential belongings, 1 civil standby with a law enforcement officer present is allowed. Additionally, no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir. Any questions?
Yes, sir. I didn't understand the part about bail bonding. I guess it was. I don't understand. I'm sorry. Am I at flight risk? I'm sorry. Is that
what's your question, sir?
Am I being released till the court date, or am I staying?
I'm ordering that you be held on bond, sir. Given the nature of the allegations, I do have public safety concerns. So that's why I believe that bond is appropriate in this case. So I'm ordering that you be held on bond, sir. Yes.
Oh.
Any further questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. You may step to your left. Number 16 on the calendar, Thomas Mills to the podium, please. Number 1 on the calendar, Richard Herman to the chair, please. And good evening, Mr. Mills. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Thomas Ray Mills, 8482.
Thank you, sir. We're here today on an out-of-county warrant from the Yavapai County Superior Court. This is a warrant that was issued February the 23rd of 2026. It appears to be on a probation violation case out of Yavapai County. I'm ordering that counsel be appointed to represent you at the next hearing. That's at Yavapai County Superior Court. It's an arraignment hearing on August the 18th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning. I'm also affirming the warrant bond. That's a $25,000 secured appearance bond. If you post bond, sir, you'll be released subject to release conditions, including no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. You may step to your left. Let's take a quick pause.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
You have a good night.
Have a good night, counsel. Number 1 on the calendar, Richard Herman, to the podium, please. Number 20 on the calendar, Jesus Duran, to the chair, please. And good evening, Mr. Herman. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Richard Harmon, 8/16/1957.
Thank you, sir. We're here today on a grand jury warrant from the Maricopa County Superior Court. Oh, does he need headphones?
Donna, headphones just in case.
Okay. Do you need some headphones for hearing assistance?
No, I'm fine right now.
Okay, I had gotten a note that you may need them, so, but thank you for letting me know.
No, it was the background noise out there.
Oh, I see. All right, so you're okay to continue, sir?
I'm good.
Okay, very well. All right, so, sir, this is a grand jury warrant out of the Maricopa County Superior Court. That means that a grand jury has found probable cause to hand down an indictment accusing you of theft, a Class 2 felony, alleged on or about December the 1st of 2017. The date of the warrant is from April the 10th of 2026. I am appointing the Public Defender's Office and setting a court date for August the 20th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court.
I already have an attorney.
Understood, sir. If you have an attorney already, you simply just need to have them file a notice of appearance. And so you're not required to stick with the Public Defender's Office, but just for tonight's purposes, because I do not have a notice of appearance that you've retained counsel, I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office for the time being, sir.
Okay.
If that answers your question. You are eligible for bail, sir. I'm going to affirm the warrant bond. That is $1,800, which is a secured appearance bond, sir. If you post bail, you'll be released subject to release conditions, including no victim contact, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir. Do you have any questions?
As far as paying the bail, if I agreed to pay the bail tomorrow, would you be willing to release me on my own recognizance tonight?
If you post bail, you'll be released subject to your release conditions. So that's the function of bail, right? So if you post the bail, sir, you'll be released. If you do not post the bail, you will remain in custody pending your court date, sir.
Okay, so if my son was to post the bail early tomorrow morning, could I be released?
If bail is posted, you'll be released subject to your release conditions, sir. Correct.
Which is
$1,800. That is a secured appearance.
okay.
Yes. Any further questions, sir?
No, that's it.
All right. Thank you very much.
And you said the 20th, right?
That is August the 20th of 2026, 8:30 a.m. We're going to have that all on paperwork for you, sir.
8:30 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir. Number 20 on the calendar, Jesus Duran, to the podium, please. Numbers 30 and 31 on the calendar, Brandon Reynolds, to the chair, please. Good evening, Mr. Duran. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Jesus Duran, 5/21/72.
Thank you, sir. We're here today on a new case from the Maricopa County Superior Court. You've been arrested on one count of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. I have determined probable cause, and I am appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you. I'm also setting court dates for August the 19th and 21st of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court complex. You are eligible for bail. I'm setting your bail at $1,000, which is a secured appearance bond. If you post bond, sir, you'll be released subject to release conditions, including mandatory pretrial supervision through the Pretrial Services Agency and mandatory drug testing and monitoring. Additionally, no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided
Doesn't
to
look
you,
too
sir.
good.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right, thank you very much. You may step to your left. Number 30 on the calendar, Brandon Reynolds to the podium, please. Number 24 and 32 on the calendar, Anthony DeFebo to the chair, please. All right, sir, can I have you take your hat off, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All right,
Take your
Mr.
hat
Reynolds,
off.
please tell me your name and date of birth.
Brandon Reynolds, 9679.
Thank you, sir. We're here today on two cases. These are both probation violation warrants from the Maricopa County Superior Court. The Adult Probation Department has filed a petition to revoke your probation alleging unauthorized victim contact.
Oh,
I am appointing the Public Defender's Office to
This isn't a
represent
bar.
you on both of your cases. I'm also setting a court date for August the 20th of
right,
2026
Angie.
at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior
Yup,
Court
Robin.
complex. I am setting bond on both of these cases at $1,000 for a grand total of $2,000. That's a secured appearance bond, sir. If you post bail, you'll be
Desiree.
released subject to release conditions, including no victim contact, no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license, contact probation within 72 hours of being released. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir. Do you have any questions?
Sometimes, Lorraine.
All right, thank you very much. Please step to your left.
Angelina Roy with the money gun.
Number 24 and 32 on the calendar, Anthony DeFebo to the podium, please. Numbers 13 and 14 on the calendar, Carlos Villegas to the chair, please.
I'm gonna cry. It's taking so long to get to the podium. What up, Mama Lee? Let me see if I know anyone.
Good evening, Mr. DeFebo. Please tell me your
I'll have to
name
take a
and
look
date
at
of
it.
birth.
Anthony DeFebo, 11/5/1990.
All right, DeFebo, thank you. We're here today on two cases.
Oh.
The first is a new case from the Maricopa County Superior Court. The second is a probation
Dragon.
violation warrant from the Maricopa County Superior Court. As the probation matter, the Adult Probation Department has alleged a violation of Term 1 of probation. As we know, Term 1 of probation is do not commit new criminal offenses while out on probation.
Right.
And here we have a new case in the form of one count alleged
What a bully.
possession of dangerous drugs, Class 4 felony, one count alleged possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I have determined probable cause, and I am appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you on both cases. I'm also setting court dates for August the 19th, 20th, and 21st of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court complex. On your newest case, sir, you're eligible for bail, setting your bail at $1,000. That's a secured appearance bond. As to the probation violation warrant, I'm also setting bond at $500 for a grand total of $1,500, which is a secured appearance bond. If you post bond, sir, you'll be released subject to release conditions, including no victim contact, no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license, contact probation within 72 hours of being released. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir. Any questions?
No.
Thank you, sir.
Is that his cheekbones? Yeah.
Numbers 13 and 14 on the calendar, Carlos Villegas to the podium, please. Number 6
Oh,
and 7
I'll
on the
definitely take a
calendar,
look at it,
Larissa
Lucy.
Mattis to the chair, please. And good evening, Mr. Villegas. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Good evening, Your Honor. I'm Carlos Elias Villegas Mares,
And your birthday, sir.
11/15/93.
Thank you, sir. We're here today on two cases. The first is a new case from the Maricopa County Superior Court. The second is a Justice Court warrant from Santan Justice Court. On the Justice Court matter, this is a failure to appear warrant from June the
Brianna.
30th of 2026 on a criminal speed and license suspended case. It's been
Oh,
going on since
we've seen a license suspended case recently.
ordering that counsel be appointed to represent you at the next hearing on that matter. This will be a reprint on 14. And
GTA
setting a court date
2026.
for August the 18th of 2026 at 8:30 a.m. That's at the Santan Justice Court on the Justice Court matter. On the newest case, this is a new case from Maricopa County Superior Court. You're set on two counts. The first, trafficking in stolen property, and second
Oh.
degree, a Class 3 felony. There's also one count alleged of theft, a class
2K got 1
misdemeanor.
million diamonds
I've
today. That's
determined
funny.
probable cause, and I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you on that matter, with court dates on August the 19th and 21st of 2026 at 8:30 a.m. at the downtown Superior Court complex. You are eligible for bail, sir. I'm setting your bail on your Superior Court matter at $1,000, which is a secured appearance bond. I'm also affirming the warrant bond on the Justice Court matter, which is $680 for a grand total of $1,680, which is a secured appearance bond.
Okay.
If you post bond, sir, you'll be released subject to release conditions, including no victim contact, no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir. Do you have any questions?
When you get booked, they check it.
Is there any way to get a warrant?
I'm not inclined to do that, sir, given the record of failures to appear that I've seen on the case card from the Justice Court case. So I'm skeptical of your willingness or ability to come to court. So I don't believe that an OR release is appropriate at this time. If you wish to seek review of these release conditions or modification, you may do so by motion, sir.
All right. Well, it's because I'm getting a job and I could take care of that.
Understood, sir.
Cool.
I'm going to affirm the release conditions. Any further questions?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Can I get OR'd because I never...
Number
Gina.
6 and 7 on the counter. Clarissa Mattis to the podium, please. Numbers 9 and 10 on the counter. Garrett Begay to the chair, please. And good evening, Ms. Mattis. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Person 2, 11,994.
All right, Batus. All right, we are here today on two cases. The first is a new case from Maricopa County Superior Court. The second is a probation violation warrant, also from the Maricopa County Superior Court. On the probation case, the adult
Who's
probation
that, Stella?
department has filed
That does
a
look like
petition to
Stella.
revoke probation, alleging that you have violated terms 3 and 5 of probation.
Isn't that cool?
On the newest case, there is one count alleged possession of narcotic drugs.
We're going to give
alleged February the 26th.
We're going to give out 20 a week.
I'm appointing the,
tomorrow I'm going to announce the
probable
first
cause, and
20.
I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you on both cases. I'm also setting court dates for August the 19th, 20th, and 21st of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court complex.
I'm excited.
You are eligible for bail. I'm going to set a nominal bond on your newest case at $50. That's a secured appearance bond. On the probation violation warrant, I'm affirming the warrant bond at $100. So your grand total is $150, which is a secured appearance bond. If you post bail, ma'am, you'll be released subject to release conditions, including no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's
people
license.
who are active in the
Contact your probation officer
chat.
within 72 hours of being released.
And
Other release conditions will
even
be put
silent
into writing
watchers.
and be provided to you, ma'am. Any questions?
No.
All right, thank you very much. Please step to your left.
Yeah, she did
Numbers
look like
9
Stella,
and 10
though.
on the calendar. Garrett Begay to the podium, please. Number 2829 on the calendar. Devon Lewis to the chair, please.
He's rebellious.
Good evening,
I don't think he's
Mr.
going to
Begay.
show up to
Please tell me
court.
your name and date of birth.
My name is Gary Begay. I'm 103091.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
We're here today on two cases. The first is a Justice Court warrant from the Moon Valley Justice Court. The second is a probation violation warrant from the Maricopa County
The pig is
Superior
diabolical.
Court. On the
I really like the
probation
pig.
violation case, the Adult Probation Department has filed a petition to
No, we
revoke
don't
the
sell the
probation,
merch. We give them
alleging
out
that
for
you have
free.
violated terms 3, 4, and 7 of probation. On the Justice Court case, this is a post-adjudication warrant for a failure to pay or failure to comply for a DUI case from 2023. It looks like
No, just
you may
in
be
the
in
US.
arrears on fines and fee payments. So on the Justice Court case,
They
I'm
put
ordering
me
that
with that
counsel be
shirt.
appointed to represent you. And I'm going to set an arraignment hearing for August the 18th of 2026 at 8:30 a.m. That's at Moon Valley Justice Court. On the probation violation case, I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office and setting a court date for August the 20th of 2026 at 8:30 a.m. That's at the downtown Superior Courthouse. On your Justice Court case, we set a nominal bond
No,
in the
we
probation
just-
violation matter. That's $50. which is a secured
Like part of the
appearance
first
bond.
20
I'm also
are
going to affirm the warrant bond
people who
on
spent the most
your
time in
probation
chat.
violation matter
They give us
at
that metric.
$150. So it's a grand total of $200, which is a secured appearance bond. If you post bond, sir, you'll be released subject to release conditions, including no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license, contact probation within 72 hours of being released. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you,
Yeah,
sir.
Brian.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Yeah,
Thank
Brian.
you very much. Please step to your left.
No, for the shirts you don't have to be
Number 2829 on the calendar.
subscriber.
Devone Lewis to the podium, please. Number 15 on the
This
calendar.
is Maricopa
Bethany
County.
Brock to the chair, please. Good evening, Mr. Lewis.
Justice
Please tell me
Michelle.
your name and date of birth.
What up, Lewis?
Davon Lewis, 041598.
All right, thank you, sir. We're here today on two cases.
Yeah,
These are both
it'll
probation
show-
violation warrants from the
I can see who the
Maricopa County
top
Superior Court.
viewers
The
for the
adult
last
probation
30
department
days,
has filed a
7
petition
days,
to
and
revoke
latest
probation,
live.
alleging that you have violated term 1 of probation. I am appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you and setting a court date for August the 20th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court complex. I'm also affirming the warrant bonds on both cases, which on your
Baby daddy
first case
court.
is $250, on your second case is $250, for a grand total of $500, which is a secured appearance bond. If you post bond, sir, you'll be released subject to release conditions, including no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license. Contact your probation officer within 72 hours of being released. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir. Do you have any questions?
The allegations against me, it was just like allegations. Here's my BM trying to use a strategy for our custody case. I
Your
never
BM?
had a DV in my life.
Understood, sir. I'm going to affirm the release conditions. If you wish to seek review or a modification, you may do so by motion. Anything further, sir?
No.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay.
It was my BM.
Number 15 on the calendar, Bethany Brock to the podium, please. Number 12 on the calendar, Tara
That's what's up.
Knowlton to the chair, please.
Oh, yeah, that's true. That's true, B.
Good evening, Ms. Brock. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Bethany
LNO
Brown.
Chaos.
And 0107, 2002.
Thank you. We're here today on a
Spell.
probation violation warrant from the Maricopa County Superior Court. The Adult Probation Department has filed a petition to revoke your probation, alleging that you have violated terms 3 and 5 of probation.
That's
I'm
from the
appointing
court
the Public
side.
Defender's Office for you and setting a court date for August the 20th of
interpreter.
2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court complex. I'm also affirming the warrant bond, that's $500, which is a secured appearance bond. If you post bail, you'll be released subject to release conditions, including no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license. Contact your probation officer within 72 hours of being released. Other release conditions will be put into writing. and
Jim Miller with the
provided to
money
you.
gun.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Thank you very much. You may step to your left. Number 12 on the calendar, Tara Knowlton to the podium, please. And number 18, 33, and 34 on the calendar, Dylan Pagatti.
Where's Dalton
to
at?
the chair, please. And good evening, Ms. Knowlton. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
It's Tara Riley, 7/15/86.
Okay, I'm seeing that now. All right, thank you, Ms. Riley. We're here today on a probation violation warrant from the Maricopa County
Or
Superior
Cody.
Court. The Adult Probation Department has filed a petition to revoke probation, alleging that you have violated terms 6, 11, and 12 of probation. I am appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you and setting a court date for August the 20th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court complex. I'm also affirming the warrant bond, that is a $500 secured appearance bond. If you post bond, ma'am, you'll be released subject to release conditions, including no victim contact, no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. Contact probation within 24 hours because it appears you're on IPS.
No.
No, standard, so I'm going to change this.
But, Your Honor,
So
would you
72 hours.
consider a release to pretrial services?
You're already supervised through probation, so I believe that bond is appropriate.
Oh.
And so that'll be 72-hour reporting time period, or if you are released, ma'am. Any further questions?
No, sir.
All right, thank you very much. You may step to your left. We'll get that reprinted out for you. Thank you.
He's like, yeah, no. That's a no.
Numbers 18, 33, and 34 on the calendar. Dylan Pagatti to the podium, please. Number 25 on the calendar, Christian Harbor to the chair, please. And good evening, Mr. Pagatti. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
My name is Dylan Michael Pagatti. My date of birth is September 29th, 1993, Your Honor.
Okay, Pagatti. All right. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
We're here today on 3 cases. The first is a Justice Court warrant from the Moon Valley Justice Court. The second is a probation violation warrant from Maricopa County Superior Court. The third is also a probation violation warrant from Maricopa County Superior Court. On the probation violation cases, the Adult Probation Department has filed a petition to revoke probation, alleging you violated term 1 of probation. I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you, setting a court date for August the 20th of 2026 at 8:30 a.m. That's at the Downtown Superior Court Complex. On the Justice Court matter, this is a failure to appear warrant from May the 1st of 2026 on a DUI case from August of 2025. I'm ordering that counsel be appointed to represent you at the next hearing, which is August the 18th of 2026. That's at 8:30 in the morning at the Moon Valley Justice Court. I'm also affirming the warrant bond on the Justice Court matter. That's $500. That's a secured appearance bond, sir. I'm also setting bond on both probation violation matters at $1,000 apiece. Your grand total is $2,500, which is a secured appearance bond. If you post-sponsor, you'll be released subject to release conditions on those matters, including no victim contact, no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license. Contact your probation officer within 72 hours of being released. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir. Do you have any questions?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. I've currently been in custody already since April 9th.
Yes.
I'm supposed to be getting released tomorrow on August 14th. I have all the paperwork and everything right here. I wasn't informed that I had a court date for the Moon Valley Justice Court. But before I got arrested on April 9th at the probation office, I had got summoned for April 22nd for a court date through the mail where I was staying at my house. And I came into jail April 9th and got booked. And
we have this booking date?
I have it right here, Your Honor. And I have right here, but I had
Judy with the rhythm crown.
I had no warrants, and I had no
Okay, so this is issued.
I was
All right. Mr. Pagatti, I'm going to have you sit back down. I'm going to take a look at this. I'll call you back up in a little bit, okay?
Yeah, because I would.
Sir, I'm just going to have you sit back down. I'm just going to take a look at this. Thank you. Thank you. Number 25 on the calendar, Christian Harbor to the podium, please.
What? We must have missed that morning.
And good evening, Mr. Harbor. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Christian Harbor, 10/10/2000.
Thank you. We're here today on a bench warrant from the Maricopa County Superior Court. This is on a probation violation case on a failure to appear. I did see the note that you self-surrendered on today's date. Is that right? All right. So I'm going to affirm the appointment of your existing counsel, set court date for a combined non-witness violation disposition hearing for August the 20th of 2026 at 8:30 a.m. That's at the Downtown Superior Court Complex. Does he have any other holds?
Mesa.
Yeah, he doesn't Mesa hold.
Mesa hold. What's the bond on that?
$500 bond.
$500. Okay.
He'll notify them, and then he'll just wait for it to come up.
Okay. Sir, what I'm inclined to do is release you on your own recognizance on this case. Sometimes some people prefer it for the purpose of pre-sentence credits to do a nominal bond, so at the very least you have the option to pay that. So I'm inclined to release you on your own recognizance unless, of course, you believe that you would prefer a nominal bond. So I'll leave it up to you.
No, I would definitely want to go.
Okay, so you promise to appear for your court date?
Yeah.
All right, based on your promise to appear, sort of releasing you on this
He's
matter
like, yeah, I want to
on your
go.
own recognizance. If you fail to appear for a court date, a warrant will issue for your arrest. As you are released on this matter, no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license. Contact probation within 72 hours of being released. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir. Any questions?
No.
All right, thank you, sir. You may step to your left. All right, give me just a moment. We'll take a brief pause.
Wait, what's he doing?
1, 2.
I think he's reviewing the other guys. The guy who got page 2'd. Yeah, the guy before. He's digging deep. He is digging deep. What the fuck is that other thing? He's really studying isn't he? Yep, MySpace is making a comeback. Dude, I don't want to see my old MySpace pictures though. Judy with the DJ. I do not want to see my. And then in addition to that, I don't want to make a top 8. Remember back in the day they had a top 8? I don't want to make I don't want to make a top 8. Then everybody's going to scrutinize who my top 8 is. Was it MySpace before Facebook? Yeah. I'm afraid to look at mine. Do you go to court on Fridays? Yeah. Tomorrow I'm making a telephonic appearance though, because it's just a trial setting conference. And I think trial will probably be set out like 6 months from now, which is fine. We could add background music. I know that was a cool part. People go to your page and they'll watch the whole thing, or they'll listen to the whole song. Do you even remember your login? Yeah, I remember my email address. It was that. Oh, sorry, I hear music. I was looking at all 3 of my screens like, wait a minute. John Heater with the welcome. MySpace chat rooms. Did they have MySpace chat rooms? I don't remember those. What is this NFL? What? 303. Dude, he's really digging in deep in this. What is that? So is it 306?
All right, Mr. Picotti, please come back to the podium. Thank you.
Fuck. Messed up.
All right, sir. Please restate your name and date of birth for the record.
Dylan Michael Pagatti in September 29th, 1993, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. All right, so we took a brief recess on these 3 matters to do some additional research on the court records regarding the booking date on the other charges that were referenced. The booking date for CR 2022-125-512 and CR 2022-00256 with an IA of 4926 coinciding with the booking date under booking number G247572. And so, given all of that, sir, I'm going to still order that counsel be appointed to represent you on the Moon Valley case and still order the appointment of the public defender's office on the probation violation matters. I'm going to set a court date on August the 28th of 2026, 10 a.m. at Moon Valley. And then August the 20th of 2026 at 8:30 a.m. downtown Superior Court Complex. I am inclined, given my research that tends to show that you're in custody after the 4/9/26 booking when the FTA warrant went out on the Justice Court matter on 5/1/26. That tends to show that you were in fact in custody when that warrant was issued. So my inclination is to release you on your own recognizance at this time.
Thank you.
Do you promise to appear for your court date, sir?
Your Honor, words can't even explain, I promise you. I'm about to have a newborn baby, and this means, I promise. I
Very
promise.
well. Thank you, sir.
And my release date is tomorrow on the 14th. Your Honor, God bless you.
Understood. Based on your promise to appear, sir, it's order releasing you on your own recognizance on all three matters. If you fail to appear for a court date, a warrant will issue for your arrest. As you are released, you must follow mandatory release conditions, including no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license, contact probation within 72 hours of being released. Any further questions, sir?
Yes. Sorry, I didn't mean to hold up any of your time. Can you,
court date?
Yeah, can we just break it down so I can be able to?
It'll be on paperwork, sir.
Okay, and then, so this will still be in effect for tomorrow when you go home?
I
8/14?
can't speak to any other matters. I just have what's in front of me on these three.
Okay, because I already got reinstated in my probation though.
Yeah. So, well, if you have questions about other collateral matters, if you're appointed counsel on those cases, so just talk to counsel as to coordinating release on all of your matters, sir.
Okay, so it's all concurrent?
Well, I can't speak to concurrent because sounds like you're referring to, sentencing or scheduling orders. So talk to counsel about concurrent versus consecutive sentencing. If that's
I really don't understand, but okay. I'll give my counsel a call.
Okay, understood.
But I am released on my own recognizance on all three of those cases?
On three of these matters, yes.
Thank you. You have a great night, sir.
All right, thank you, sir. Yes, sir. All right. We have our
He seems
interpreter
pretty
on the line.
happy about that.
All right.
Judy with the ukulele player. MSPK
Oh,
Van
we have our
Alice
interpreter
Jamie.
on the line. Oh, she disconnected.
She's like, I'm tired of waiting.
We'll try again. All right.
Oh, he's gonna be like, babe, you can't believe this. You won't believe what just happened.
All right.
West Virginia mama.
Narrow. Narrow? Laughing. B, narrow. Oh, you. Abraham. Vernell, right? Lauren. Fillmore, Narrow. Alberto, come over here.
Wake that dude up. Wake him
Hello,
up.
we have our Spanish interpreter on the line?
Correct, sir. This is interpreter 399171 with language line Spanish. Go ahead.
Thank you. We have 5 separate matters to call. Does that work for you?
That's fine, sir.
All right, very well. Let's begin with number 8 on our calendar, Abraham Bernal, to the podium, please. Number 17 on the calendar, Alberto Flores, to the chair, please.
Bueno, comencemos entonces con el número 8 en el calendario, el señor Abraham Bernal al podio, por favor, pase al frente. Y el número 17, Alberto Flores, a la silla, por favor.
And good evening, Mr. Bernal. Please tell me your name and date of birth, and please wait for the interpretation to respond.
Buenas noches, señor Bernal. Por favor, espere a que el intérprete termine de hablar cada vez que se diga algo. Y por favor, confirme su nombre y fecha de nacimiento.
Abraham Cota Bernal.
Abraham Cota Bernal.
And your date of birth, sir.
Su fecha de nacimiento, señor.
30 de noviembre del 81.
November 30, 81.
Thank you, sir. We are here today on a bench warrant that was issued from the Maricopa County Superior Court on a failure to appear from May the 14th of 2026.
Gracias, señor. Nos encontramos aquí porque la Corte Superior del Condado de Maricopa emitió una orden de detención porque usted no compareció a una audiencia ante el tribunal el 14 de mayo del 2026.
I am affirming the appointment of existing counsel and setting court dates for August the 19th and 21st of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court complex.
En este momento estoy confirmando que ya hay un representante legal, un abogado que lo representaría existente. Le estoy agendando audiencias para el 19 y el 21 de agosto del 2026 a las 8:30 de la mañana en la Corte Superior del Condado de Maricopa en Downtown, en el centro de Phoenix.
I'm also affirming the warrant bond at $500, which is a secured appearance bond. If you post bail, you'll be released subject to pretrial supervision and additional release conditions.
Bueno, también estoy afirmando que la orden de detención tenía una fianza de $500. Le estamos dejando la fianza con la garantía de que usted comparecerá. Usted se presentará a sus audiencias en la corte. Si usted llegara a pagar la fianza, podría ser puesto en libertad bajo supervisión de los servicios preliminares al juicio, con algunas condiciones adicionales para su libertad.
Other release conditions include no victim contact, no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir. Do you have any questions?
Bueno, señor, algunas de las condiciones de su libertad serían no tener contacto con la víctima, no cargar armas, no consumir ningún tipo de fármaco o droga, y si fuera medicamento tendría que ser una receta válida, no consumir alcohol, no conducir sin una licencia válida, y todas estas condiciones se le darán a usted por escrito. ¿Tiene alguna pregunta?
No preguntas, pero no me presenté a corte porque pues me detuvo el ICE al salir de aquí.
I don't have any questions, but ICE detained me, and that's why I wasn't here.
I was not able to appear in court because ICE detained me after getting out of here, and it's not because I didn't want to go.
Just a moment, sir.
Permítame, señor. Un momento.
All right, sir. I have reviewed the docket in your case. I do see a writ of habeas corpus directing that you be held in custody for all court proceedings pending case disposition. Therefore, I'm revising my initial release order.
Bueno, señor, estoy revisando ahora el archivo de su caso. Puedo ver que tiene usted ese recurso de habeas corpus que pedía que lo tuvieran en custodia durante todos los procesos jurídicos. Por lo tanto, voy a revisar ahora mi orden inicial. Okay.
See, he should have shut his mouth. If he would have been quiet, he would have been able to bail out.
We'll reprint number 8. Sir, after reviewing the docket in your case, it appears that you are in sheriff's custody pursuant to a writ of habeas corpus. Therefore, you must be held without bond on this case, pending case disposition, to be returned to federal custody pursuant to the terms of the writ. Therefore, I'm ordering that you be held without bond at this time. Any further questions, sir?
The last time you asked a question, you fucked up your bond.
Se tendrá que volver a imprimir.
Don't ask any more
Señor, he
questions.
revisado en este momento el archivo de su caso. Parece ser que usted ha estado bajo la custodia del alguacil, el sheriff, porque había un recurso de habeas corpus que, por medio del cual usted tiene que estar en custodia, tiene que estar detenido y no se le podrá dar fianza para este caso en particular. Y tendría que ser devuelto a la custodia del alguacil en conformidad con ese recurso, señor. No se le podrá dar ninguna fianza. ¿Tiene preguntas?
No.
No.
Thank you, sir. You may step to your left.
Pase a la izquierda, gracias.
Number 17 on the calendar, Alberto Flores, to the podium, please. Number 2 on the calendar, Juan Filomeno, to the chair, please.
Alberto Flores, pase al podio. Y número 2, Juan Filomeno, por favor, tome asiento.
And good evening, Mr. Flores. Please tell me your name and date of birth, and please wait for the interpretation to respond.
Bueno, buenas noches, señor Flores. Por favor, declare su nombre y fecha de nacimiento y espere a que el intérprete termine de hablar.
Alberto Flores Díaz, nací el día 1 de noviembre del 86.
Alberto Flores Díaz, date of birth November 1st, 86.
Thank you. Sir, we are here today on a bench warrant issued for a failure to appear on a dangerous drug and drug paraphernalia case from the Maricopa County Superior Court from August the 12th of 2026.
Gracias, señor. Nos encontramos aquí porque hubo una orden de detención emitida por la Corte Superior del Condado de Maricopa porque no compareció usted a
Why is
una
Kay Larson
audiencia
starting rumors now?
por un cargo de drogas peligrosas y parafernalia el 12 de agosto del 2026.
I am affirming the appointment of existing counsel, setting court dates for August the 19th and 21st of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court complex.
Bueno, afirmo en este momento que ya se le nombró un abogado que le representará y estoy agendando su audiencia para el 19 de agosto y el 21 de agosto del 2026 a las 8:30 de la mañana en la Corte Superior de Maricopan, Downtown Phoenix, Centro.
I'm also affirming the warrant bond that is set at $500, which is a secured appearance bond. If you post bond, sir, you'll be released to pretrial supervision through the Pretrial Services Agency with mandatory drug testing and monitoring. You'll receive written instructions with your release conditions on how to report to pretrial services.
Muy bien, señor. Permítame un momento. This is the interpreter, sir. Could I have a repetition on what would happen if he does post bond?
If he posts bond, he'll be released to the supervision of the Pretrial Services Agency with mandatory drug testing and monitoring. He'll receive additional paperwork with instructions on how to contact the Pretrial Services Agency after release.
Perfect, thank you. Bueno, también afirmo que tenía una fianza según su orden de detención, de $500. Esta es una fianza que garantiza que usted comparecerá.
This interpreter is talking like he's telling us a bedtime story. You notice that?
Usted pague esta fianza, usted será puesto bajo la supervisión de los servicios preliminares al juicio, pre-trial services. Recibirá también papeleo adicional con indicaciones sobre cómo comunicarse usted con el servicio preliminar al juicio, una vez que esté en libertad.
Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir. Do you have any questions?
No, está bien. Thank you.
Las demás condiciones las recibirá por escrito. Gracias. It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Number 2 on the calendar, Juan Filomeno to the podium, please. Number 26 on the calendar, Jesus Sepulveda to the chair, please.
Número 2, Juan Filomeno al podio, por favor, adelante. Y el número 26, Jesús Sepúlveda a la silla, por favor, tome asiento.
And good evening, Mr. Filomeno. Please tell me your name and date of birth.
Buenas noches, señor Filomeno. Dígame, por favor, su nombre y fecha de nacimiento.
8 de marzo de 1982. Juan Filomeno Vargas.
Juan Filomeno Vargas, March 8, 82.
Thank you, sir. We are here today on a Justice Court warrant from the East Mesa Justice Court. This is an arrest warrant on a DUI case from June the 30th of 2023. The date of the warrant is January the 4th of 2024.
Gracias, señor. Se encuentra aquí porque hay una orden de detención de la Corte de Justicia de East Mesa Justice Court, Corte de Justicia East Mesa. Parece ser que la orden de detención se debe a un caso de conducción bajo los efectos de sustancias, DUI, del 30 de junio del 2023. La fecha de la orden es del 4 de enero del 2024.
I am ordering that counsel be appointed to represent you at your next hearing, which is at the East Mesa Justice Court on August the 18th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning.
Estoy ordenando ahora que se le nombre un abogado que lo represente para la próxima audiencia en la Corte de Justicia de East Mesa el 18 de agosto de 2026 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
I'm also affirming the warrant bond set at $1,000, which is a secured appearance bond. If you post bail, you'll be released subject to release conditions, including no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol,
Hit Mama
no driving
Paris.
a motor vehicle without a
Reds.
valid driver's license. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir.
Bueno, estoy afirmando también la fianza de la orden de detención. Es una fianza de $1,000. Es una fianza que garantiza que usted comparecerá ante el tribunal. para la
Is this
fianza de su
interpreter in bed? I know, right?
Al pagar usted esa fianza, usted sería sujeto a las condiciones de su libertad. Entre ellas, no podrá tomar medicamento ni ningún tipo de droga sin una receta válida. No podrá consumir alcohol y no podrá conducir un vehículo motorizado sin licencia válida. Las demás condiciones las recibirá por escrito.
Any questions, sir?
¿Tiene
¿Qué
preguntas?
tiempo tengo? Yes, sí.
Don't ask questions. The
Dígame.
last guy who asked questions got fucked up.
¿Qué tiempo tengo para pagar la fianza?
How much time do I have to pay the bond?
How much time do I have to pay my bond?
You may postpone at any time. If you postpone, you'll be released on this case subject to your release conditions, sir.
Usted puede pagar la fianza en cualquier momento. Al pagarlo, usted será puesto en libertad bajo las condiciones
No
que
payment
le
plan.
hemos dicho.
Thank you, sir. You may step to your left.
Thank you.
Right, little bull?
El
Like,
señor pasa a la izquierda.
it'd be a lot quicker than this, right?
Number 26 on the calendar, Jesus
Thank you, Reds.
Sepulveda, to the podium, please. We'll clear gallery after this one.
Oh, fuck. We got a gallery
After this
clear.
one, we'll clear.
26.
After this one, they're clearing the
Jesús
gallery,
Sepúlveda,
guys.
al podio,
So,
por favor.
trigger alert. It's going to be something
And
bad
good
coming up
evening,
this next
Mr.
one.
Sepulveda. Please tell me your name and date of birth, and please wait for the interpretation to respond.
Wait, Chipper, out.
Jesús Alberto Sepúlveda.
Buenas noches, señor.
Let me refresh
Por
because
favor,
it's lagging.
espere a que el intérprete
Let me
termine de
refresh
hablar,
here.
contestar preguntas. Ahora declare su nombre y apellido.
Okay. Jesús Alberto Sepúlveda. 01
Jesús,
28 1999.
diga,
Say it in Spanish.
Jesús Alberto Sepúlveda, 0128-1999.
Yep, definitely Squiddly.
Thank you. Sir, we are here today on a new case from
Maricopa
the
County.
Maricopa County Superior Court.
Okay.
You're accused of 2 counts. The first, taking contraband into a correctional facility, a Class 2 felony.
That's
There's
not
also
good.
1 count alleged of possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony. I have determined.
Thank you, Forever
probable
Strong.
cause.
The transfers finally came.
Just to verify, sir, the first count
Look at
is
the back.
contraband into a
Yes.
correctional facility,
Yes.
to felony. Second is possession of dangerous drugs. It's another felony.
See?
What class was that?
Class 4.
Class 4. I'm sorry about the Bueno, gracias, señor. Nos encontramos aquí para un nuevo
Would I ever
caso.
want to be a judge?
En el
No,
Corte
it would be a
Superior
pay
del
cut.
Condado de Maricopa se le acusa de 2 cargos diferentes. El primero es
It would be a pay
haber
cut and it'd be more work.
introducido contrabando a
Thanks,
un
guys.
centro de correcciones, que sería un delito grave de
We
categoría
don't sell the
2,
shirts. We give them out
felonía
for free.
categoría 2. Y
Sorry.
la segunda es
This fucking translator's
poseer
killing the
drogas
vibe.
peligrosas. Un delito grave de categoría 4. Yo he determinado que hay razones probables o causas probables.
Yep, realist.
I'm appointing
you get
the
paid
Public
less.
Defender's Office to represent you and setting court dates for
And
August
you're
the
there.
19th and 21st of 2020.
You like live in the courthouse for like 9 hours a day, 9 to 10 hours a
downtown
day.
Superior Court Complex.
And then you have to take homework. How to become a super fan. I think there should be somewhere
Bueno,
here in the
señor, estoy
live
nombrando
where you can become a
al
super fan.
defensor público para que lo represente legalmente tiene fecha de audiencia
Right, Ashley.
el 19 de agosto y el
Yeah,
21
he's
de
very hard
agosto
to hear, man.
del
To
2026
listen
a
to
las
is
8:30 de la mañana en la corte downtown de Maricopa Superior Court, del centro de Phoenix.
What's the
You
top
are
button?
eligible for bail. I'm setting your bail at $5,000, which is a secured appearance bond. If you post bond, sir, you'll be
When I wake up
released,
at 3:30 in the
subject to
morning,
release conditions,
sometimes, and I
including
can't
no
go back to
weapons,
sleep,
no drugs without a valid prescription,
I need
no
this
alcohol,
interpreter
no
to talk
driving
to me.
without a valid driver's license.
If this interpreter
Other
talk
release
to me,
conditions
I'd
will
go
be
right
put
back to
into
sleep.
writing and be provided to you, sir.
Shipping so high. To ship
Bueno,
a
señor,
t-shirt
usted es
to
elegible
Canada
para
is
pagar una fianza de
$26.
$5,000, que es una fianza que pagaría con el fin de que usted comparezca a la audiencia. Al pagar esa fianza, usted será sujeto a las condiciones de su libertad, entre ellas no podrá
He's
consumir
reading
ningún
bedtime
tipo de
story.
medicamentos
He
o
would
drogas
make a
sin una
killing on
licencia, sin
YouTube if he did
una
bedtime
receta válida,
stories.
que no podrá consumir alcohol, no podrá cargar
All the
armas
insomniacs
y no
would
podrá conducir sin licencia válida.
subscribe to his YouTube.
Hay condiciones adicionales, las recibirá todas por escrito, señor.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No, good. He's afraid to ask a question. I listen to history videos. That's really cool. I like that.
Thank you, sir. You may step to your left.
I sent a romper to a
Right.
friend in
Yes,
Texas
clear.
today. Cost $15. Yeah. All right, here we go. Oh, this is an interpreter case as well. I always fall asleep
Right,
to
we
take
have
talk and
one
wake
more
up to some
interpreter
random
matter,
person's live
which we'll
with like
call.
3 people. And they're like, thank you, Sin. Thank you for joining. Oh, I just saw it going, Cub. I just saw it. Thank you. Thank you, going. Yeah, guys, this is a trigger warning. This could be a this could be a case, a
All right.
sexual case,
We'll call number 3 on
or
our
a sensitive
calendar.
case
Miguel Vargas to the
against
podium, please.
against a minor,
Estamos llamando ahora al número 3 en el calendario. Miguel
an
Vargas,
adult,
por favor, pase
an
al
animal,
podio.
or just failing to register.
Good evening, Mr. Vargas. Please tell me your name and your date of birth, and please
Miguel
wait
Antonio
for the
Méndez
interpretation to
Vargas.
respond.
Wait for the interpretation.
Miguel Antonio Méndez Vargas,
Bueno,
1900.
Vargas, le pediremos que por favor espere a que termine de hablar el intérprete
Oh,
antes de
sorry.
contestar. Gracias, por favor espere.
Are you
Buenas
gonna
noches,
answer in
señor. Está bien,
English?
gracias. Por favor declare ahora su nombre y fecha de nacimiento.
Miguel Antonio Méndez Vargas, del 1994, mes
94.
11, día 26.
1994.
Miguel Antonio Méndez Vargas, 11/26/94.
Thank you, sir. We are here today on a grand jury warrant from the Maricopa County Superior Court. That means that a grand jury has found probable cause to hand down an indictment accusing you of 6 counts of sexual exploitation of a minor, a Class 2 felony, and 3 counts of sexual conduct with a minor,
Fuck this guy.
Class 4 felony, alleged on or about March the 18th of 2026.
Fuck this guy.
Bueno, señor, nos encontramos aquí el día de hoy porque la Corte Superior del Condado de Maricopa emitió una orden de arresto después de haber hecho un juicio conjurado. El jurado ha determinado que se le imputarán cargos por las siguientes razones. El primer cargo
Be sure to ask a lot of
es
questions,
por
man.
explotación sexual de un menor de edad. Es un delito grave de categoría 2, es
What a
felonía.
fucking asshole.
También hay 3 cargos de conducta sexual con un menor. Esa es una felonía o delito grave de categoría 4. Se presume que usted podría haber cometido estos delitos alrededor del 18 de mayo del 2026.
I am appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you, and I'm setting a hearing date for August the 20th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning
What's
at the
the-
downtown Superior Court complex.
What's the bail amount?
Bueno, le nombramos al
I know
defensor
paper made, but
público, la oficina del defensor
it's hard to
público para
think
que lo
that when you're dealing
represente
with, sexual
tendrá
exploitation of
audiencia
children.
el 20 de agosto del 2026 a las 8:30
I think it's
en
going
la
to be a cash
Corte
only bond.
Superior de Maricopa en el centro de
45
Phoenix,
billion.
downtown Phoenix.
I'm also affirming the grand jury warrant bond at $150,000 cash only.
Hey!
Other release conditions will include pretrial supervision through the Pretrial Services Agency and
Why
mandatory
is Michonne
electronic
upset with me?
monitoring to be installed before any
I
release.
blocked him and he got angry about it. That's how these guys get.
Bueno, también estoy afirmando la fianza que tiene según la orden de detención del jurado. Es una fianza de $150,000. Solamente se puede pagar en efectivo. También hay algunas condiciones adicionales
Good
para
point,
su
Squidly.
libertad. Y estará bajo la supervisión del servicio preliminar del juicio, Pre-Trial Service, y tendrá también obligatoriamente
Michonne is weird.
un monitor electrónico que tendrá que ser instalado
We ordered his
antes
body
de
cams
que
too,
sea
guys.
puesto en libertad.
Additionally, if you are released, do not return to the scene of the alleged crime, no victim contact, no contact with minors. You
Stay
are
off the
prohibited from accessing the internet through any means except for work or legal representation. No weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir.
So, Michonne
Bueno,
talked a bunch of trash a couple days ago.
Algunas de las
After
condiciones son que no podrá regresar
I had
al
blocked
lugar
him.
del presunto delito.
And so the petty
Podrá
side
tener
of me came
contacto
out,
con las víctimas,
and I ordered his body cam
no
footage of his
podrá
most
tener
recent
contacto
arrest.
con ningún menor de edad, no
Got a little
podrá
petty there,
utilizar
but I
el
ordered it.
internet a menos que sea con fines relacionados con su trabajo o la representación legal, o sea, no podrá cargar armas, no podrá consumir alcohol, no podrá consumir ningún tipo de
I was like,
medicamento
all right,
ni
fuck
droga
it,
sin
man.
receta
You want to play?
válida.
Let's play.
No podrá conducir un auto sin licencia de manejo. Hay condiciones adicionales,
I
las
love the
recibirá
pettiness.
por escrito.
Do you have any questions, sir?
Tiene preguntas.
No.
Thank you, sir. You may step to your left.
What questions can he ask?
Señor, pase a la izquierda.
He's fucked. All right, thank you,
And
Mr. Interpreter.
Thank you for your service today to the interpreter. You may disconnect. That is our last interpreter matter.
Thank you, sir. Have a wonderful
I'm
night.
ordering the one from Catalina.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, I think the judge is standing up. He seems like he's standing the entire time, huh? Good for him. There might be house calls. I'm not sure. It has ran pretty long today.
Good evening, Mr. Pizarro.
Oh, another fucking asshole?
The one Pizarro 102689.
Thank you, sir.
Punchable
We're here
face.
today
He's got a
on
punchable
grand
face.
jury warrant from the Maricopa County Superior Court.
Dirty fuck.
That means that a grand jury has found probable cause to hand down an indictment accusing you of 2 counts of sexual assault, a Class 2 felony, 1 count of kidnapping, a Class 2 felony, and 1 count of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument, a Class 3 felony.
Fuck
all
this
alleged
guy.
on or about March the 24th of 2026. I am appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you, setting a court date for August the 20th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the downtown Superior Court complex.
Fuck this guy.
I'm affirming the grand jury warrant bond, that's $750,000, which is a cash-only appearance bond.
Oh, you stuck.
With the post bond, you'll be released.
You were
subject to pretrial
stuck.
supervision through the Pretrial Services Agency with mandatory electronic monitoring to be installed before you are released. Additionally, if you are released, you'll have to follow additional release conditions, including do not return to the scene of the alleged crime, no victim contact, no weapons, no drugs without a valid prescription, no alcohol, no driving without a valid driver's license. Other release conditions will be put into writing and be provided to you, sir. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, what is the evidence that they have against me?
Oh, you want to
This
hear
is a
it?
grand jury warrant, sir. So the grand
Probable
jury
cause.
proceedings are still a matter under seal. So they're not a matter of public record at this time. That will be a conversation between yourself and counsel. But this is the general
Cheers.
description of the charges and the dates of offense.
Okay,
The grand jury has found probable cause to indict you on these charges, however.
Okay, so under Article 4, Section 4 of the Constitution is called the Guarantee Clause. Guarantee Clause states that every state within this union is guaranteed a Republican form of government, and that government uses common law. Common law says I'm innocent until proven guilty. So why am I still here?
Because you're a flight.
Because a grand jury has found probable cause to indict you on the charges that I've described, sir. If you have further questions about any defenses you may wish to raise, you may discuss them with counsel, sir. Thank you very much. You may step to your left.
This motherfucker. It's to secure your appearance at
Number
court.
21 on the count. Oh, you need to get him.
We got another asshole? It's to secure. One is to determine the safety of the community, and two, as well as to secure your appearance at court. That's why. And your constitutional rights can be infringed
And good evening,
via due
Mr.
process.
White. Please tell me your
This
name and date
fucking
of birth.
asshole too.
I want Skip White, 013-1999.
Thank you, sir. We're here today on a probation violation warrant from the Maricopa County
You
Superior
failed to
Court.
register.
The Adult Probation Department has filed a petition to revoke your probation, alleging that you violated terms 3, 5, and 15 of probation. I am appointing the Public Defender's Office and setting a court date for August the 20th of 2026 at 8:30 in the morning at the Downtown Superior Court Complex. I'm also holding you without bond pursuant to Arizona Rule of Criminal Procedure 7.2C at this time. Do you have any questions, sir?
No.
Thank you very much.
You said without bond?
Without bond, correct.
Okay,
Thank you, sir. Move to our house call matter.
Yeah, it's been a really long day today.
Scaglione, date of birth 1/8/64. Mr. Scaglione is not.
I got
present
woken
in
up
the
because
courtroom.
my
The note
phone was
from
going
the
nuts
sheriff's
this
office
morning.
was that-
It was going nuts
Nope.
at approximately 5 in the morning.
Okay, we'll wait for him to
With
come back.
people sending me Santos got arrested. Santos got arrested. Santos. Oh my God! You see that Santos got. My phone was just nuts, and I didn't have. I had it on vibrate and not silent, and that's why it woke up. It wasn't me this time, says Lorraine. Will Santos want you to bail him out? I think All Money had a
Mr.
really good
Scaglione
idea.
was disruptive, so we'll find a waiver and proceed in absentia for the time being on a probation
I
violation
know, it
warrant
should
from
be
Maricopa
listed.
County Superior Court. The Adult Probation Department has
Yeah,
filed
it's
a
live
petition
right
to
now.
revoke alleging violations of terms 3 and 5. I am appointing the Public Defender's Office, setting a court date for August the 20th of 2026,
She does
8:30 a.m.
sometimes,
at the
Michelle.
Downtown Superior Court Complex, setting bond at $250
set
and
that
other
up,
release
beautiful
conditions will be produced to writing and provided to Mr. Scaglione during his Southside initial appearance that will take place immediately after the close of the 8 o'clock p.m. calendar. If there are any changes to these orders, they'll be reflected on the written orders, not on audio and visual
And
feed
be
here.
London for the rest.
That will adjourn number 5 on the calendar, Frank Scaglione. That also brings us to the end of the 8 o'clock p.m. initial appearance calendar for August the 13th of 2026. We will stand at recess.
Yeah, so my phone was going pretty nuts. But I think let me close this off here. I think All Money had a really good idea. We should go visit him in the county jail. He's going to be in LA, I think on the 18th. I say, why not? Why don't we fly down there? It's only an hour flight for me. Hour and 10 minutes or whatever. I think it's just an hour, really. An hour flight. And we go see him on visiting day. Through the glass. Hi. It's your two favorite people. I wave at him. Bree thinks Santos is getting out on Monday. Bree is fucking delusional. I mean, I think the most that could happen with Santos on Monday is that he could possibly get his bail reduced. Right? I think that's the most that can happen. But not at a tremendous. I don't see his bail getting knocked down to $20,000. You can't go from $1 million to $20,000. I don't think that happens. His bail right now is $1 million. I don't see that. She got a lawyer for him? I don't know. We'll find out though. We'll find out. Is it cash only? No, it's a regular bond. Let's see if they moved him. LA County. See if they moved him at all since we last looked. I'm not a robot. Search. I'm not a robot. Continue. No, he's still in Olympic. Where's that? Is that on Chrome? That's landscape. Chrome. Yeah, he's still Olympic. Still $1 million. We don't have a court name yet. You see where it says case number 9999999? It's because it hasn't been assigned to a court date yet. So he doesn't even have a court date yet. But it has to be by Monday. They might keep him there until after court. Oh yeah. She could just give $100K. They play rich. Guys, these guys play rich on TikTok. But they're not really. They're not really. Attempted murder. It can be tomorrow. All money's hoping that he goes to Twin Towers. I am too. Like I was saying, when I said it in my, this morning when I was live, I was saying, I hope they do not transfer him to Twin Towers. I hope they don't put him on the 5th floor. I hope they don't put him on the 5,000 block and the Twin Towers. I would hate to see that. Yeah, she called Santos' grandma and she was online when this happened. And she said, I would just sell what? What are the Twin Towers? He could be deported because he's a felon. Is he a citizen though? Twin Towers is the men's central jail at in Los Angeles County. It's horrible. It is fucking horrible. It is horrible. She said she would sell Chrome for $20K. Thank you, Angela. He was born here in America. Okay, so he can't get, some people said that he could get deported. He can't. He said, yeah, unfortunately, he's legal. Is there a way? Doesn't he have warrant in Texas? I don't know if he's got warrants in Texas. Like Attica times 1,000, yes. Tell me why he hasn't moved. I don't know. Maybe they're waiting for his court date. Does his family have money? No. Are his parents legal? I don't know. So yes, Santos's grandma's back to the rescue. And she's going to come up with 100K? Yeah, she doesn't even take care of Winter. That's true. But she's got to come up with the money. So it's a secured bond. That means you have to give some. So if it's $1 million, you got to come up with 100K plus collateral for the remainder. Plus a collateral for the remainder. Can you stream his bond? I wish I could. You hope Bree doesn't help him. It'll be interesting to see. It'll be interesting to see what happens. Someone told me that Wavy was drinking again. I don't see him drinking. I don't see him on. Guys, I've been on for 2.5 hours. Pretty long time. Guys, thank you for the likes, the views, the taps, the gifts, and especially your time. You know I'm tired when there's 1,200 people in here, and I'm like, dude, I got to get out of here. Thank you for the likes, the views, the taps, the gifts, and especially your time. Guys, we beat Angie. Angie's putting up fights, man. It seems like every day she's getting closer and closer to like beating us. But guys, you guys have a great rest of your night and a great day tomorrow. I'm back on. I might get on earlier, but I'm back on for sure at 7 p.m. Pacific tomorrow. We'll hang out, we'll watch some court, and hopefully we could beat Angie. Unless she starts really building up and then beats us tomorrow, but who knows. You guys have a great rest of your night. Good night, everyone.